Ugh, this is really bad. You found it? You found it! Woohoo! Wait, I'm gonna set it nighttime so we can go sleep in our beds so when we can always respawn here. Probably gonna have to end this video really soon, or might have to be two-part because my thing isn't recording very well, my tablet, and it's like 11 minutes right now and it's blinking, meaning I'm pretty sure it'll stop soon. But anyways, yeah, if it does, whatever, I can always make another one. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Whew. We found the house, that's good. Whoa, all the lighting in this game is actually making the camera look bad. Sorta, I don't know, whatever. If I get a camera or something even better than this, I'd be pretty happy because this sucks for recording. Yeah, and if you guys were to join this Shadow Clan, this is our house. But really, don't really come and raid us because that's not cool. Because, well, I guess you can, but just don't take any of our really good stuff because you guys already know where our house is because it's not computer version where we can just teleport home. So, yeah, it's not that fun because like I bet you we would, if anybody got on the server and just started playing after we finish it, we'd get raided in less than like 3 hours if we were on. Because I know right away people would be like watching this video and be like, hey, I'm gonna come raid your house, get you all your diamonds. What the heck? Huh? What the heck? Oh, you should totally, how did you can still see it from this side though, but from this side you can't. Switch it around like it was before, because before what you did, it was I couldn't see it. Whee! But then you can't get out. Lol. Whee! Yeah, and this would be the starter kit when you join. Full iron, diamond sword, and iron pickaxe, and probably like a stack of beef and stuff, like 1 or 2 diamonds. Pretty fun. So if I can, I'll probably get this video up to like 20 minutes if I possibly can, but it might cut out soon. We need light in here, bruh. And why are you a girl? So if you guys don't have Xbox or you do and you want to join, you can always friend me and or Editing Orphan 64. What? But anyways, yeah. And when you join, if you want, you can take the book and read it. And then if you want to, here, I'll give you a couple minutes, like right here, so you can like write the names down if you want to join or anything. What? Oh yeah, this is the book. Probably can't read it though, because it's not too good on here. But when you join, you can probably read it if you do. And then down here, this is going to be the path to the, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the humans, which we haven't finished yet. I was going to do a teleport, so you go to the nether and then you go out and you end up in the other way, but that wasn't going to work. So I have to do it this way, and then you come up, and like, I guess this village is going to be the human world, I guess. I don't really know. We're still working out the details. It's getting a little bit crazy, because right now we only got 3 builders. And if you'd be more than welcome if I can get 3 more builders that would friend me and help me out with the server. They're like good builders. Like, I would really appreciate it. We would really appreciate it. It'd be really cool. Okay, we're coming up to 17 minutes, so if I do make it, I'll probably cut it 3-4 minutes. It's been a fun time to do. I actually might try and go for 25 minutes if it works. You at like about 17 minutes too on your recording? Yeah. Dude, are you ending yours at 20 minutes too, or you going past 20? You're going to 20 or past 20? 20? Yeah. Past 20? Like 25, 30? 25? I don't know. Just tell me. Just tell me. Seriously? Yours? Wait, can tablets record up to an hour? Maybe I might do 30 minutes actually, if it doesn't quit on me. But, and yeah, again, it's on the weekends. I probably won't be making, well, we can't make videos on the weekdays because he can't play on the weekdays because we're still in school. Well, we're in like 5th grade and everything, but it's kind of weird to say that, but though. So we can only record on the weekend, so probably every Saturday and Sunday, right? But can you make a video tomorrow? Because I probably can. I don't know, we'd have to figure it out on what days. I actually, once we get it started and stuff, I might actually run it for like weekdays for the other people, but Josh won't be doing it, so he won't have his channel up. But if you guys can come over and watch mine all you want, and hopefully we can get some YouTubers in here, that'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. No, 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 no. Where's this thing coming from? I see where you're at. You can't catch me, you can't catch me, you can't catch me, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. It's like playing hide and seek right now. Okay, well I just hit 21, so I might 21, 21, 21, Josh, 21. Anyways, I might cut it like 25, 28, something around there. No, you can't get me. No. I go up to this weird base somebody built. You can't get me. Oh, I think he has found me. No. Don't do it. No. No. Two can play at that invisible game, bruh. Two can play at that game. Yeah. And if I can hit 200, 300 likes, I would be completely amazed because usually, like, nobody likes my videos. For some reason, that's sad. But anyways, if you want, please like this video. And maybe if we can hit, Josh, you're going for a goal. I'm going for at least 300 likes. We'll do like try and do videos every day, every Saturday and Sunday. I may not be able to make a video tomorrow, but I'll try and see if we can hit. See how many we can hit overnight, man. Overnight. Probably not very many because I know not very many people like my videos, but who cares? It doesn't matter about how many likes or how many people that don't like it or comments. It's all about having fun. All about having fun, 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 fun. Today's been a lot of like weird stuff, like not even playing this, but me and him are trying to get this faction server up as fast as possible and maybe even start playing it in a couple of weeks, and it'd be really cool because then we could actually do more videos, get all of our friends in here, and we have lots of fun. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here, guys, because it's 25. I don't know. I don't want to go over much, so I think I'm gonna cut it here. Well, it's been a nice time, my fellow crafters. Goodbye.